Okay, stand out there and do it. There you go. You must need more bubbles. Oh, wow! Look at that bubble. Okay, this time when you make the bubble, hold it up in the air, okay? Okay. You ready? Okay, hold it up in the air. Up. Whoa! Look at all the bubbles.
Cool. Now I need some more.
Okay.
I just need that a little bit.
Okay, now go stand outside before you start blowing the bubbles this time. There you go. Now push the button. Oh, it needs more bubbles. No, don't blow it until you get outside. Now try it.